Untriggered podcast with Radhika Madan and Nimrat Kaur.
Why did you think before taking her name?
No, I was doing a build
Build
up.
up.
Like,
Oh,
I was
the drum
really
roll.
excited.
There was
Are you
a
gonna
mini-
punch in a drum roll or not?
Oh, yeah. I saw her eyes like go wide for a second and
Yeah,
just
she
little
thought I
worried.
didn't know your name.
Yeah,
No, of
I
course.
did.
There
Unna
was-
naam to, like,
That's
that
the
much
only research we
do.
did.
That much research.
Yeah,
yeah.
You have to research to know what my name is.
No, I'm
that's
saying-
the only
It's
research
a
we
bad
do.
look for me, you know.
No, that's not what I meant.
Acha,
No, there was a millisecond, bro. That's why this hesitation
Yeah.
is there.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
we
No,
trust
I'll tell you why this happened. Our editors, they were like, the start of the podcast needs to be more exciting. So for people to get engaged. So then I was like, let's do this.
Let's try forgetting their name.
What's up? Well, how has your day been? Is this the first thing you're doing today?
Yeah. First
Yeah?
thing we're doing today.
हाँ,
Yeah.
मतलब मैं थोड़ा काम वाम करके आई हूँ अपना दूसरा
This is the first thing, यार. आज नारियल यहीं पे फूटा है मेरा.
Okay. Oh, what time does like your day start if you're doing a shoot or like?
Depends on like the call time
Yeah,
and
the
like
shift
the
time.
shift time. I wake up early. I'm up by like 5:36.
Huberman style.
Huh?
Huberman
style.
Yeah.
Yeah, go take the sunlight. Yeah. Feel it in your eyes.
That's a great way to start, man.
Of course.
The way I'm
Yeah, you
living
should
right now.
Start.
You should
Yeah.
start,
What time
bro.
do you wake up?
We generally, all of us, like after our night usually ends by 3-4. Then we'll do our thing, might chill a little bit, and then sleep, and then wake up by 1.
Lovely.
And what do you mean by
So Brahma
Some me time, you know? Like if I'm talking to someone or if I'm gonna consume some movies,
what you-
some content.
consume some
Consume
and there
some.
was a pause and then you were like movies.
Dude, Radhika's here to just destroy me, dude.
You have to rip us
No,
apart.
what happens
Yeah.
is like if you have a long day, then at the end of the day, you're like, okay, I worked hard, but I had like no fun today. So like
Yeah.
you try to make up for it, but then you end up staying till like 3-4, and then you're just like your next days, and it's this cycle which is just going round
Yeah.
and round.
So all of you all sleep at the same time and wake up at the same time, or how does it work? Because you're 5 boys who live here.
6.
5 boys are
Six
living here?
boys
6
live
boys
here.
are living
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
We
is
all
why-
live in this room.
They all live
Side by side we
We
sleep.
sleep.
All get a touch.
This is what we said. We've
It's
already
too
caught
late.
her up with everything.
So then,
Then nothing. We sleep like people now because we're all friends. Also, we are staying together, so we try to have some space.
yeah.
So like we're not doing everything together. That's just weird. Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
we'll talk about why you guys
You,
are
yeah,
here.
we'll talk
We
about-
watched the trailer yesterday.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it looks fun.
Good.
For
Yeah.
sure. Like it was like I don't know what to expect. We watched it and we were like, oh, this is fun. There's a Marathi soundtrack, and we were like,
Yeah.
oh, what's
Yeah.
And
happening?
it's shot in Pune.
Short in
also.
Pune.
It's
Yes.
all shot
Yeah.
in Pune.
And we're all
Hometown.
We're all
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
Pune.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
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 All of them are from Pune.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So cool.
Yeah. What was it like? I've seen your character is like this badass.
Cop.
Yeah, she's a
God.
hard chick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you like that in real life?
Not
Or-
at all. I'm the exact opposite.
Do you like get to beat up people in the movie?
I'm mentally.
Mentally.
But no, there's no such like, I mean, she's a hard chick. Like, she's really all out to, mess things up for people who try to mess with her.
Okay.
So no nonsense, kind of like a girl in a man's world. And she's really like, she's there for a job. A girl's gone missing. She's a senior police officer in the Mahila cell. So she's also like trying to make sure that, people take her seriously, because as a girl,
Okay.
you've got to deal with all kinds of weirdos all the time, in a profession like that. So she kind of hides behind her clothes and, she's not really someone who's playing her femininity on her sleeve, really. So the dialogues
Yeah.
are great. I've got like the most incredible lines that I've personally had as an actor to to have fun with.
Yeah.
So it's one of those projects where, it's just really been great.
Was there any cussing in the?
Yeah, there was, but it's all gonna get beeped now.
Oh.
because you know the big screen and all of that. So it's a family watch, and it's a really fun film. You know, there's a lot of
Is it
crisp humor.
Fun or like look kind
Yeah,
of
like a girl
scary
was
to me,
missing.
like some girl has.
So it's a thriller.
Sajni गायब हो गई उधर.
Yeah, but it's a thriller, but it's
Sajni is right here.
We know she's still alive.
We found her.
मर रही है, जी रही है. It was fun.
it was actually there's a lot of crisp humor.
Right.
Yeah, and really like you know very chilled humor. Like it doesn't come with like you know haha ये तो बहुत ही funny है. you know.
Not the
yeah.
over the
No, it's
top
like
humor.
that kind of humor which comes from discomfort, where you're like, I'm a little uncomfortable, but it's funny. It's like that. I
That
think,
too sometimes.
yeah, I think
that
the
too.
best humor comes out of discomfort only. Like, or
Yeah, I mean
maybe
life
I'm
is
just-
like that, no?
Yeah.
It's sad and funny at the same time. Sometimes the weirdest situations are so funny.
Yeah, like for me, a defense mechanism, like the worst situation,
Yeah.
it's like I get so uncomfortable that I need to make jokes about it.
Yeah.
But
I
that's
don't think
all of
I don't
us.
think that's healthy at all.
That's all of us over here.
Yeah, but it's a
That's-
coping mechanism
it's a
that
coping
most
mechanism.
people have, I think.
What about your role, Radhika? Are you dead? You're alive?
They don't want to spoil the movie.
Picture आई भी नहीं
थोड़े
है.
पैसे खर्च करके देख लेते.
Did you guys work together a lot in the movie, or do you have separate
Not
scenes?
at
We
all.
I
did a
don't think
single
they
scene
have, yeah.
together.
One scene in the movie.
Not even one.
Not even one. So there was one scene written,
Huh.
but we shot it separately on a green screen. So I was excited
Oh,
about
fuck.
that scene a lot.
हाँ.
And then मुझे पता लगा जब मैं सेट पे आई कि आज finally निम्रत मैम के साथ I'll work. And तब मुझे पता है निम्रत मैम तो शूट कर चुकी है. And मैंने बोला oh shit मतलब एक भी नहीं.
Oh.
So the funny part is that scene when I was shooting, I didn't even know what am I doing. I was like, but what's happening? You know, because the night was going and it was starting to rain and you know the day was ending, and then somebody realized that I should know why I'm doing what I'm doing. So then I was like, oh, acha, ye ho raha hai. Okay.
Is that happening a lot now? Because there's just so much stuff being shot. Everyone has different schedules, and like technology is good enough to just like put scenes
Green
together.
screen.
So it's like, are you guys doing a lot of that, or
Not so much.
So it
No.
depends. It depends.
Yeah.
What is everybody's schedule like,
Yeah.
and what is the priority. Like अगर वो available ही नहीं है artist तो shoot करेंगे. But
कई बार तो ऐसा होना चाहिए.
She's not holding back.
इसका AI से करा दो यार.
यार ये green screen में लगा दो ना.
I don't want to meet this person.
Yeah. What do you guys think about like all this AI stuff that's going on?
Scary.
People are like
Scary.
angry. Actors are.
Yeah, it's scary. I mean, the strike that's going on in Hollywood, it's
Yeah.
absolutely legitimate. And I don't know the nitty-gritties, but I don't think it's fair to map someone's voice and face, and you know, you're turning that into an archive, and then anybody can pull it
Yeah.
out and use it anywhere, anyhow.
Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, what next? You know, I mean, you're killing potentially an entire profession. So it's
Yeah.
scary. I mean, India में अभी इतना relevant नहीं है.
You guys have
But-
seen those reels where it's someone's like cover, someone else singing
Yeah,
a song.
yeah.
Yeah. A
sounds-
lot of, किसी और का आवाज लगा देते हैं ना कि अगर ये गाना गाता तो कैसा लगता
Which is your favorite one of those?
I haven't seen it.
I feel like your feed will have a lot of that.
my feed, my algorithm is so good. I can't even tell you it. It is filled with cringy videos, and I thrive on them. So I never like.
I want to see some of them. You know?
Really, I
Please
never
send.
use Instagram in front of people because
Because you're
otherwise they're gonna
embarrassed, no?
judge.
Yeah.
My feed is filled with pani.
वो चुड़ैल वाला.
Oh, चुड़ैल,
गंजी चुड़ैल.
Oh yeah, गंजी चुड़ैल. मैं मतलब सारी naturally मेरे अंदर आ जाता है. So मैं
can't
लोगों के
believe
सामने नहीं.
I can't believe this is your Explorer, dude.
It is brilliant.
You don't watch a lot of reels?
I'm a meme fiend.
Okay.
I'm a meme freak. So I have like buckets of memes and things, and you know, like my love language is meme language.
Okay.
So I'm a sucker for memes.
Do you
That's my
send
scene.
send a lot of them to your friends?
Yeah. And then I need a reaction on every meme.
Yeah.
Because God forbid they don't react to
Yeah.
one meme. I'm like, are we okay? Like, is there a problem? You know?
Do you not like me anymore?
Yeah, like what happened? Like no emoji? Like what?
My dad has just discovered reels.
Oh Jesus.
And I'll
I'm
show you
sorry.
my chat with him. It's always 9+ messages.
Oh my God.
And it's just like
Sending
non-stop.
reels.
That's so sweet,
Oh,
bro.
shit.
It's sweet. I get it. That's why it's. So, I feel so guilty. Like, how am I supposed to? Like, do you want your son to have a career.
My dad shares it on WhatsApp. So every time I open, there'll be one Instagram reel link. And I have to click
As a
on it and
link?
see, as a link, he sends it to me.
Do your parents
have to go there
understand
and
what you all do?
Yeah, they
now
follow.
They understand?
They see it.
They see it.
They
But
see
do
it
they
because it's
understand?
happening.
They understand
Do
because
they
don't
take you
have-
seriously? Like, do they like
Yeah.
understand this is a profession?
Yes.
Yeah, because now, like they didn't for a while. Then
Yeah.
they had to stop sending money. So
Then
they were
we,
like, oh,
yeah. Then we
Wow.
moved out.
Yeah.
it is a little weird to be
Yeah.
honest. Like it's like, what are you guys doing? Like you guys just talk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, and before this, it was a lot of talking just amongst ourselves.
Ourselves. Talking to friends.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we couldn't get, like if 1 year ago we would have asked you guys to come, you would be like, who
you?
these guys?
Yeah.
लेकिन तुमने बुलाया
Maybe,
नहीं ना
maybe
maybe
not.
not.
हाँ, इन्होंने हमें अभी
बुलाया
इसलिए
ही
बुलाया
नहीं।
क्योंकि हमारी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है.
तुमने इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं दिखाया तुम्हें लगा कि क्या बुलाएं
Yeah, I think
It's like-
Nah, I think that's our fault. Yeah,
yeah, I think it's all us.
too slow है
नहीं
No,
नहीं मैं
last
ऐसे ही
year.
बोल रहा हूँ but
हाँ.
हाँ they get it now, it's fine.
इट्स लाइक एक बारी ना कॉन्टेक्स्ट में जाने देती हूँ बिकॉज वो फैमिली में फिर वो हो जाएगा. बट माई नानी वॉज टोल्ड दैट यू नो देयर इज दिस बॉय, वो ना ये क्या है, वो डीप सी डाइवर है. सो पंजाबी में मैं बताऊंगी एंड देन आई कैन ट्रांसलेट इफ यू ऑल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. शी सेड कि ਉਹ ਕੰਮ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੱਛੀਆਂ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਲਾਈਕ ਹੀ ਸ਼ੋਜ਼ ਫਿਸ਼,
To people for
that's
work.
a job.
Yeah.
And she totally cancelled that person. She's
Yeah.
like, there's no chance. We don't
Yeah.
want to like
Yeah.
have anything to do with this.
Yeah. Back then we had 4 jobs total. Now we have.
Now also primarily there are 4 jobs.
But now there's a lot of other
Now
things.
Those
all
jobs
this
are
stuff.
safe,
Okay.
right? Like you know,
Yeah.
if you do
Yeah.
that job, you won't sleep hungry. It's like that. So parents
Yeah.
are like low risk. Now with you guys, when you decided to be actors, what was like?
Yeah.
What were your parents like?
My mom was like really scared. I think तब social media इतना active था भी नहीं, आया भी नहीं, नया नया ही आया होगा. और क्या क्या पढ़ती थी मेरी mom, casting couch से लेके सब कुछ. So she didn't speak to me for a month when I moved here. And एक महीने बाद फिर उनको लगा मेरी बेटी and all of that. But a lot of hangama happened that no, my dad really supported me at that point. And my dad was like, करना है? मैंने बोला please. Then he actually got me to Bombay. And he was actually standing outside the offices when I was auditioning inside. And then उसके बाद and mom को लगा कि ये जिद के मारे चली गई, होएगा थोड़ी इसका कुछ. And within 3 days, I was shooting for my show. So then my mom saw me and then she was like कि यार ये तो tough है. And then she was like मेरी बेटी, and she moved with me here for a year then.
Okay.
Wow.
sweet.
That's
so
that's so
that
nice.
oh god, I wouldn't be able to survive the
Yeah.
city without her. So initially it was so important for me to get settled. Yeah, like I was 17, 18, कुछ पता था नहीं, बॉम्बे भी नहीं आई थी लाइफ में कभी.
Yeah.
So I think I lucked out with extremely supportive parents.
Yeah.
Wow.
To move here and like help you do all of this.
Everything, everything, and just to believe in this bizarre dream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मैंने कभी लाइफ में एक्टिंग नहीं करी है. मैं बस रैंडमली उठ के बोल रही हूँ ट्राई करें.
At what
They were
point did
like-
they realize, okay, this is like legit?
I think when I started shooting for the show, it was actually me only. I wanted to be a professional dancer. I wanted to go to Broadway, learn tap dancing, travel the world. Stage was my love. And I remember I was doing this scene. तो मुझे लगता था मैं ज़बरदस्ती आ गई हूँ और मेरे को घर जाना है because my friends used to go on trips and मैं यहाँ पे 48 hours non-stop, 56 hours non-stop काम कर रही थी. And then I just surrendered and I went for a scene and I remember मेरे बिना कुछ gliss लिए there was this wave of emotion that encapsulated me and I felt the same thing that I used to feel when I was on stage
Yeah.
where I couldn't see anybody else and it was just me
Flow
and
state.
I felt safe and I felt protected and then cut ke baad everything started coming back and then I started drawing parallels between every art because my mom paints as well. So I see her going into this zone where she just blocks everything out. I saw that with me on stage and now I feel it in front of the camera between action and cut. So then I realized art is art, and I feel the safest in front of the camera. So I think I should just make it a career.
What?
I decided to make it a career then.
Yeah, I mean that like there's nothing like doing something that you love and making money out of it also. And obviously
Yeah.
art is art, but like if you're not like नहीं आ रहा पैसा तो क्या art करके क्या करोगे?
घर जो है art पे तो नहीं चलेगा.
No, that's what I meant. Like
yeah,
at
घर से
some
तो art
point
नहीं- art
where
से घर नहीं
like
चलेगा.
you obviously have to
Yeah.
be decent at your art to make a career out of it. But
Yeah.
then it's like at that point where you realize, okay, this is it now. Like I'm doing this. घर भी चल रहा है, सब चल रहा है. It's good now.
Yeah.
You used to do a lot of theater. That
No. I was in college in Delhi. I finished my college, and then I came to Bombay after that.
okay.
So I knew that I had to get a degree in order for me to follow what I think I wanted to do. You know, it's such a difficult profession to even admit to yourself that you want to do this, because growing up, you know, in the services, my dad was in the army. You know, you're kind of designed for like those 4 professions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, engineering, doctor, lawyer, whatever. So God forbid you think of doing something else. So it was a weird choice to even admit to myself to begin with. And then when I was like, okay, I have to get a degree because, you know, you can't not have a degree. So that was like deeply ingrained that you gotta have a bachelor's in something. So I said, okay, fine. So I chose the one that takes the least time, 3 years. So bachelor's in commerce.
Yeah.
BCom.
खत्म BCom honors. खत्म करो भागो. So then Bombay का चस्का तो था because कहीं पे समझ में आ रहा था कि काम वहीं पे है. So then I gave myself 6 months and then I said, okay, can I make a living of my hobby? Because I always enjoyed being, you know, like in front of an audience in school and college in amateur ways. So modeling started here. Then a lot of music videos, ads. Then theater happened because I realized that I didn't know how to really act. You know, modeling is a different scene. You're selling a product. And it's a very limited space. So you're not really becoming a different person. That was my... You know, like I was getting familiar with the camera, but not really the craft of being someone else. So I started watching plays for the first time. And then after that, I realized that I want to learn from this person. I actually went about it in a very, whatever way made sense to me. So theater I did for a bit. Then the lunchbox happened to me because of a couple of plays that, you know, the director saw me in, you know, and all of that. And thereon, and, you know, moving ahead from that, life happened.
Yeah. What a movie though. Lunchbox.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How
we
was-
finished 10 years this year.
How was working
actually.
with Irfan?
I didn't work with him.
You didn't work with
No,
him at all.
man.
Again, separate scenes.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
You haven't watched the
You
movie?
haven't
I haven't watched the movie. I haven't watched
Yeah,
the
you
movie.
should watch it. We
Yeah.
gotta see it. We
I
don't
told
even
him
have
last
like
night
a,
we should watch it.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
And
Till
then
3,
you
4
were
a.m. your
chilling.
content that you're consuming.
consuming his
Consuming, sorry.
He was consuming movies
and
on that.
How about doing that?
I was listening to music last
Right,
night and
and
I was
consuming
talking
and
to
then you
someone, man. Come on.
Right.
I was on.
इंटरव्यू में पर उनकी पिक्चरें क्यों ही देखी?
I'd rather consume this.
So both of you have worked.
Yeah.
You have worked with him, I think.
In Angrezi meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
What
that
was
was
that
it?
experience like?
Oh, it was like the best experience of my life. I think when you work with such a legend, your job is just easy. You just need to react. बिल्कुल मेहनत नहीं करनी होती. बस बैठ जाओ सामने जो भी कर रहे हैं उसका रिएक्शन दे दो. And I experienced magic with him. That man was something else. And a very important lesson that I learned from him was that never stop being a student of life. Like he still used to get those butterflies, or that he had this anxious energy before every important scene. So I used to see him pacing up and down. I used to pace up and down, before an important scene at night. तो मैं जब निकल रही थी तो मैंने देखा ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, ये तो इरफान खान है ना, इनको तो कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. He was always excited and always curious and such a beautiful soul, so respectful. I just learned a lot of things from him. And
That must have been so comforting to see someone who's so good at the craft still gets anxious, still gets nervous. And
Exactly.
like, okay, if he can feel like this, it's
Yeah.
okay for me to
He's-
feel however. I
Yeah.
feel.
हाँ, मुझे तो बल्कि और डर लग रहा था कि कि क्या मैं कितना ही कर लूंगी,
Yeah.
मैं क्या कर लूंगी. But it was really, I don't know, it was inspiring to see that.
Yeah.
And I saw him give so much of respect to everybody on set, be it, like, I was a newcomer. He didn't have to listen to me. He didn't
Yeah.
have to even, like, वो ऐसे भी कर सकते थे, मेरे closest लो और जाओ.
हाँ.
But to be so respectful ki what are you thinking? What are your thought process? Like, what is your thought process? And I just felt so encouraged. And if he wouldn't have done that, like, he gave me the confidence that my opinion matters.
Yeah.
And I can do anything in life.
Yeah.
And he showed everybody around him the same thing. Because if he wouldn't have given me that respect, maybe the crew wouldn't have taken me seriously.
Yeah.
The production wouldn't have taken me seriously. But he just set the tone
Right.
for everybody else.
And he's got energy which, like, now you're saying it's there in person, it comes across on screen also. Even if I was watching Life in a Metro like 2-3 days ago, and he's done like only a handful of number of scenes in that movie, but like every time he comes on screen, like there's energy.
Yeah,
That-
For
For
sure.
Yeah, you're like, well, this is like, it's mostly positive.
because he's not trying to be anything, you
Yeah.
see. There's
Yes.
no effort.
Yes.
I mean, you don't see the work that man has done. And I think that's the real win in an actor. When all your work and your backstories and every, diary you've filled for the character you've created, etc., doesn't show on screen. What you see is not the work you've put in, but just the person you're watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that, just that truth in his eyes. And he just needed to look somewhere.
Yeah.
And that was that. Like, he said so much.
Yeah.
And his hold over the language, which is
Yeah.
such a rare virtue now. The way he spoke his lines, how poetic he sounded, even if he said chalna.
Yeah.
There was something there. I was like,
Yeah.
oh my God. How, he was really great.
In both languages, like
Yeah.
Hindi, English, like
English
even,
Absolutely.
even
Yeah.
when he
Yeah.
He had
when
a musicality.
Yeah, even
Yeah.
like you see him in Spider-Man, he doesn't feel out of place. Like
Yeah.
he's
Yeah,
just
it's
like,
very natural.
Because he believes in who he is. It doesn't matter where the man is, He was really, I think that he really took away a possibility for us as an Indian cinema audience. With him, that possibility is gone.
Yeah.
He was really a once in a lifetime person,
Yeah.
in that sense. as
like
an
no
artist.
one can play him. Like it's
Yeah,
only
it's
he
true.
can.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
right.
what he
Yeah.
brought to a part, only he could.
Yeah. Working, like he was the go-to guy for like if we want an Indian guy to play a Hollywood movie, like
Yeah.
if we can get him, let's get him. It's like that.
I think he was the first call, probably.
Anil Kapoor second. Because he was also in every.
Yeah. What is it like working abroad? Like if you're doing a
Yeah.
show with an American cast, like
Yeah.
is
It's
it
really chill, man. It's really chill. It's very, very exciting to work in that atmosphere because they don't take themselves very seriously and everyone's doing groceries and
Yeah.
very okay to do that.
Yeah.
And, like when you work abroad, you get relocated. So you're away for a long time. You're away from your family, your loved ones, and it gets very lonely and things. So you really need bless you. You really need genuinely cool people to be around and everything is time is actually really respected, which I'm a huge fan of.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the upbringing, maybe I just take those things a bit seriously. So I really respect an environment that encourages that culture, where you're not wasting your time and you're not wasting my time and everyone's doing their best. And that's that, let's have a great time within that. So I really enjoy that a lot.
What was Homeland like?
Jesus. Just like, I have no words, honestly. I didn't know what Homeland was, yeah.
You didn't know the show?
No, man. I did the lunchbox. I was, I was partying in Slovenia. And, no, listen to this, huh? Yeah. I was in this place called Bled, which is like an alpine village somewhere in Slovenia. And I was having a great time. And I was ready to come back to India. It was a film festival for, the lunchbox was invited there. And I was told that, London hoke wapas aa jao, wahan pe ek screen test you have to give. I said, for what? For this show. I said, okay. And then I land up in London for the first time in my life. I am in London, hungover, majorly, trying to learn my scenes, somehow with my cousin. And she was like, why does it say Carrie Mathison? I said, I don't know. I said, there's somebody called Carrie Mathison. I don't know. She realized it's Homeland. Oh my God! You're doing Homeland! I said, I'm not doing what? So she said, you know what you're doing. I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but just relax. Like, let me do my lines and, it's a screen test. Let me get it over with and, whatever. Went there, did the screen test, and I realized that somebody else was locked for that already. But they got curious because they thought, they watched the lunchbox and they thought, I'll make a great spy. I don't know how they made that connection, but full points. So then the lunchbox, then Homeland happened because of that, and then I landed up in Cape Town. We were shooting, season 4 there. And that's where actually I watched Homeland. Because I was like, let me figure what the hell this is.
This is the
I
first
should
time
know
you
what I'm
watched
working in. Yeah. I watched season 1, 2 and 3 back to back.
While on set.
While I was waiting in Cape Town to like get into, the scene. And season 8 just came out of nowhere.
Yeah, they're still going.
No, they're done.
They're done?
Yeah, done.
Okay.
They're like, we can't do this anymore. One day they were just sitting and watching, the frame.
Yeah.
And the writers and everyone, they were like, oh my God, we're so done. Like, this is not happening.
There is a sweet spot for shows where
To end.
it should
Yeah.
end like.
Yeah.
And then what happens is a lot of shows, when they become popular, there's
Yeah.
too much money to be made to
Yeah,
like
you're milking
stop.
a dead cow.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
But
Like,
if
it's
you've
one would
noticed,
rather.
the best, sorry to cut you off,
No,
the
no.
best shows are like around 5
4
seasons,
seasons, 5 seasons.
6
Oh.
seasons, like, and they end there. Breaking
Yeah.
Bad,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Sopranos.
Yeah.
Wow.
They're all like, because they've packed so much within those 5 seasons, where they're like, this is an art piece, watch it.
Correct.
And then you watch it for 30 years, 40 years after that, because it's that
Understood.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you guys watched Friends and all? Like, is that your
Yeah,
scene?
we watched it.
Yeah.
But
do you find it funny?
Not
when
at
I
all.
was 10, 11, maybe I think
10,
it was
11?
funny with backing laughs and everything.
The Office.
Right.
I love
Office
The
is
Office.
funny.
I fucking love The
You
Office.
like The Office?
Is it
Your
something you keep
reaction and you could
rewatching
tell.
again
Yes,
for
yes.
comfort?
हाँ,
Fuck
see,
it.
खत्म हो गए सारे सीजन
But वापस देखना है. Yeah,
खाना खाते हुए तो चाहिए
yeah, in the
But the
background.
first season is very slow.
No, fuck you, bro. First
First season is very slow, bro.
I am not taking
I
any.
had to sit through the first season for me to enjoy the rest of the show.
I mean,
First season is
नहीं
bad.
बोलना है मुझे कुछ
Seinfeld is one example of where they
Yeah.
ended the show. I mean, it was 8 seasons, I think,
Yeah.
still,
Right.
but they
But
ended
the
it
end
there.
was very weird.
I loved the ending, dude. The reverse episode is the last episode.
I think Two and a Half Men should have ended once Charlie left. Like,
I
that
haven't
was-
watched it, honestly,
haven't
so
watched-
I'm just pretending.
You're not,
You don't have to. It's okay.
you're not a
haven't seen
sitcom.
Huh?
You're not a sitcom.
No,
so-
I love all that.
What
but
do you
I just
consume?
haven't. Sunsets. No, the thing is, I actually don't have a TV in my house. I don't have a television. I believe, I feel like my life is so busy otherwise. I cannot sit and watch stuff here.
Yeah.
It's a problem. I'm physically a little bit restless, so I need to be out and about and be engaged physically. So I feel a bit bored sitting and watching things.
Do you watch your own stuff? Or? No, because I've heard actors say in interviews.
देखने का time आ गया है, अपनी picture लगा दे. Yeah, it's very
No.
hard. I have a hard time. Like, if I have a hard time because it's hard to see yourself.
Yeah.
Actually, it's difficult.
I've heard other actors also say, that's why I brought it
Yeah,
up. Like,
it is hard.
And to me, it was like so odd that like,
There's
how do
nothing
you
to
not
learn.
watch?
I don't know what I want to learn, or I don't know what is it that I want to see. कि बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Oh, कितना गंदा काम किया. Both ways, I'm just like,
Do you watch?
She watches a lot of it. You can just tell by her expressions.
You watch like compilations.
I love watching myself. मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी है वही देखने के लिए.
Yeah.
और मैं तो जब भी लो डे हो रहा हो या कुछ ऐसा लग रहा हो कि बात नहीं बनेगी लाइफ में तो मैं सिर्फ अपनी पिक्चरें देखती हूँ. चल
That's so good.
ये
That's
कर रहा है,
your
ये कर रहा
motivation.
है. हाँ क्यों नहीं.
Yeah, that's
मैं
fun.
अगर मेरे पास टाइम नहीं तो मैं ट्रेलर देख लूंगी अपना, बट मैं देखूंगी. आई लव वॉचिंग माई सेल्फ. मेरे डायरेक्टर्स कंप्लेन करते हैं क्योंकि मैं हर स्क्रीनिंग में बैठ जाती हूँ. तो वो बोलते कितनी बार दिखेगी, देख तो लिया पिक्चर. मैंने बोला नहीं यार, मतलब सपने लिए हैं मैंने खुद को बड़े पर्दे पर देखने के. मैं तो देखूंगी जब तक देखूंगी. So I am really proud of myself and I love watching myself. मेरे को सीखने वीखने का नहीं है, मेरे को बस ego boost हो जाती है.
But abhi now in this new movie, so you've gone missing. So
Yeah.
कभी तो दिखूंगी.
हाँ.
वो लेटा हुआ.
Missing मतलब
No, but
खत्म.
how does that feel? Like, I don't know if have you ever, like any of you, have you ever like died in a movie?
Have I died yet? No. I've died in a short film. That
Okay.
doesn't count because no one saw it.
But like,
I have died.
does it feel odd? Thoda.
In which
कुत्ते,
one?
in कुत्ते I died.
Okay.
Can you tell how?
गोली लगती है, ठक 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 करके तुम गिरते हो.
2-3 bullets.
हाँ, 2-3 bullets.
Damn.
So तब्बू मैम ने मुझे मारा है.
She shot you.
She shot you.
Then it's fine.
हाँ, तब मैंने बोला
वो
हाँ,
ऐसा कोई बजा.
आप मार दो मुझे.
आप और गोली मार दो शायद.
आप कुछ भी कर लो. तो उन्होंने मारा था, तो बस हो जाता है यार. मतलब इधर कुछ लगाया हुआ मेरा होता है, बट इट वाज रियली टफ फॉर माय फैमिली टू सी इट.
Oh, okay.
You getting shot.
हाँ, कि ये क्या हो गया.
Yeah, but you are sitting next to them na, when you're
उनको
watching.
कुछ नहीं होता. मेरी मॉम बहुत सेंटी है
अच्छा.
और बहुत फिल्मी है, और उनको लगता है वो पूरी फूट फूट के रो देती है कि मेरी बेटी.
नहीं, अजीब तो लगता होगा.
I mean, it will be a little weird to see yourself.
I would
They
know.
have, yeah, my mom has a hard time when there's any violence happening towards me, you know. She can't watch that and she's like,
What if you're doing the violence?
Now this
Yeah,
will be
yeah,
your
she likes
one.
it.
That's relax.
then
वो
she
सही
loves
है.
it.
Badass.
Yeah.
But does it feel a little weird after you die in a movie, or it's just like, ho gaya scene, khatam?
It doesn't feel like anything,
It
yeah.
doesn't feel like anything.
Yeah, you're just trying. You just want to go home and have a bath.
हाँ.
Because any circumstance you're dying in a film, na, is going to be physically a really filthy day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just want to go have a bath.
Yeah.
That's all.
हाँ.
At least for me.
I think I
नहीं,
watched
correct.
too many interviews where actors say I was in the character, like I got
कि
stuck.
मर गए is mentally ऐसा हो गया.
No, like some people get into character. No, we've read like
That's a different
Heath Ledger, like
Yeah.
he
Oh,
played the
locked
Joker,
himself
and then
But
he
you know, different projects bring out
Yeah.
different things from you.
Yeah.
Like I did a film called Sana. It's doing the festivals right now. Right after, it's a very dark film, and right after Sana, I did Sajni Shinde ka viral video, and I was in a really bad space. It took me a while to be okay because that became the new normal for me.
Yeah.
And I was living that for good. Like I shot Sana for a month or two, and then this one. So for good 6-7 months, I was in that headspace. So I thought that now this is my reality. I cannot get out of it.
Yeah.
And my parents, my family and friends got really worried. So it depends what kind of projects you're choosing to do. Whether you have the chops to get out of it like this. I thought I had it, but clearly I didn't.
Yeah.
And yeah, it depends.
That's a different thing though. Like that's getting into character or getting into a space where mentally you have a hard time. But like a death scene is just any other day.
Death
You
scene is
know,
not that
that's
tough
Yeah.
because you've died.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
There's so
it's
much more
life that
technical
Yeah,
stuff
yeah.
happening, you know.
Yeah.
Hit your mark when you're dying. Catch the light.
Well, how do you pretend to like just?
How do you fall on your good side? Like you gotta tell them.
Yeah, you
This is an
just.
acting workshop.
Yeah, you know, I mean, you just have to. It's a job to get done.
मरने के बाद क्या देखना?
Do you practice dying?
No, why are you also obsessed with this? Are you all okay? Death
Where
scene.
good?
Where
Where
six
happens
boys
when you
living in
die?
one house. You decide.
This is what it's come down to.
That's all we think about.
Death scenes. What
सबसे
happens?
ज़्यादा इन्होंने
Where
इसी
do you
question के बारे में
fall?
पूछा है. इतना technical, इतना कैसे?
Okay, we'll switch from that. How was Pune for y'all?
Amazing.
To shoot in
Loved,
Pune.
loved. Pune was actually the first, my first school was in Pune.
Oh wow, which
Yeah,
one?
Holloway School. It's in College of Military Engineering, CME. So Papa
CME.
was posted there. So my first standard was there.
Oh, that's
Yeah. So I love Pune even otherwise. I go there a lot. It's a gorgeous city. You know, what do we call it? The Oxford of the East.
Yeah.
Right?
We call it P-Town.
Can't beat that. It reminds me of shit. In college, na, Janpath and all, we used to call it Jean-Pain. Because it was not cool to be in Janpath.
Jump hai.
Yeah, Sarojini, you know Sarojini Nagar
Yeah.
was Saint-Jean.
Do you guys pick up
P-Town.
any Marathi while you were in Pune? or-
Pick up as in
like
one,
thoda-
I mean.
But in Mumbai also like.
Mumbai also it's mainly
हाँ
Hindi,
मतलब
but-
जो सिग्नल पे यू गेट कॉट ना जो
हाँ.
जो कॉप के साथ थोड़ा यू नो वो सब थोड़ा सा वैसा, but I understand Marathi.
हाँ.
You know, my best friend speaks Marathi, so I understand, and you know, like इतना तो pick up तो आप कर ही लेते हैं.
Yeah. Marathi as a language it's like if you know Hindi, you'll kind of understand
Kinda
what they're
understand.
saying.
It's
हाँ.
very similar.
It's not very difficult. It's like Gujarati, Marathi. They're you know like not hard to.
हाँ.
It's really weird because when I initially came to Bombay, no, तो दिल्ली से आए हम. अब हम इतना वो नहीं करते ना, हम आप या तुम्हें या इतना तो ऐसे बात करते ना. तो मेरे को किसी ने तो भाई आई थी हमारे घर में, तो उन्होंने मेरी मम्मी को बोलती ए तेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ पे रखने का कहाँ पे नहीं रखने का. एंड माय मॉम वाज लाइक
तू तड़ा.
तू तड़क से आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं.
बिग बॉस शुरू हो गया घर में.
तू तड़क. व्हाट इज दिस बिहेवियर पूजा.
Yeah.
So it was a shock initially that what is it कि तेरे को मैं नहीं आ रही करके वो ऐसे बस. और the attitude is really, so they are uninhibited, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very informal.
हाँ, very informal. And वो
It's a language
अब
that's
मुझे वो
very chill.
अपना भी लगता है. But initially जब आए थे तो for my parents it was
Yeah.
No, now also when we get guests who are like from Delhi and they
Yeah.
live in the north, we are very open and like tere ko.
हाँ.
It's like
We don't know how to speak
yeah, and then
properly.
they
You know,
all-
तेरे को is not correct. You know that.
yeah, but it's like a,
I'm just saying.
Yeah, I know, but
What
it's
is
just
the
like-
correct thing to
तुम्हें.
say?
तुम्हें.
हाँ, हाँ,
तुम्हें.
तुम्हें या
आपसे.
तुझे. तेरे को मेरे को.
तुझे is also थोड़ा on the offensive side. तुझे
It depends
नहीं,
on who
तुझे
you're
is very
talking
nice.
to. How
तुझे is
informal
fine.
you
तुझे.
can
Yeah.
be.
to
But
someone
always
who's
tere ko, mere ko
senior.
is like
तेरे
here,
को, मेरे
like
को
it's
is like,
Pune,
हाँ,
Mumbai.
it's
Yeah,
true.
it's
हाँ,
Pune,
yeah.
Mumbai.
So then in the episodes, they're all like aap, and we're like tere ko, and we just look like dicks throughout the episode. You know, guests की respect नहीं कर रहे, कुछ नहीं.
Yeah. But it's out of ignorance. It's not out of disrespect.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
वो अब समझ में आया.
But you catch that. But I love the people in Mumbai, Pune. Like I love the culture here a lot. Yeah, everyone's so chill. You know, people don't take themselves very seriously. I love that a lot.
And they're concerned about their own lives. ऐसा नहीं कि
Yeah.
उसके घर में
हाँ,
क्या
क्या
हो
चल
रहा
रहा है?
है.
There's less voyeurism. Everyone's busy.
Yeah.
I think
Is it
doing
the
things.
opposite in the north? People
Yeah.
are like on edge थोड़ा.
On edge नहीं है. People are थोड़े सा ज़्यादा interested in other people's lives.
got it.
उधर
थोड़ा सा culture is अलग.
मतलब आप अगर सलोन जाते हैं रेडी होने के लिए ना, उधर सलोन जाने के लिए रेडी होना होता है पहले कि अब मैं रेडी हो
थोड़ा
जाती
over
हूँ.
the top.
एंड वहाँ पे सारी डिस्कशन होती है, वहाँ पे गॉसिप. मतलब मैं जब दिल्ली जाती हूँ मेरी लाइफ ऐसे होके आ जाती हूँ मैं. क्या मेरे को सबके बारे में पता चल जाता है 2 दिन की ट्रिप पे. एंड यहाँ पे आते हैं तो दे गेट बोर्ड की. जब मैं बोलती हूँ ना कि मुझे नहीं पता क्या चल रहा है उनकी लाइफ में, क्या कुछ नहीं पता, ठंडी हो गई है बॉम्बे जाके, ठंडी हो गई है और कुछ नहीं रहा इसको, इतनी मसालेदार मेरी कुड़ी सी ठंडी हो गई.
पंजाब कह रही हूँ यार मैं. दिल्ली वगैरह में ना क्या होता है, ये लोग सोचते हैं कि बॉम्बे ना एक बिल्डिंग है. और बताओ शाहरुख के घर में क्या आजकल चल रहा है?
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
it's like, पता नहीं यार, वो जहाँ रहते हैं उनके घर में जाके मैं पूछूंगी आपके घर में क्या हो रहा है. लाइक यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, लाइक दे थिंक दैट आपके उनका तो ब्रेकअप हो गया ना, उनका तो वहाँ उनका तो शादी शायद, यू नो इट्स लाइक पीपल थिंक दैट एवरीवन लिव्स इन वन बिल्डिंग.
Yeah.
सब नेबर्स हैं और सबको पता है कि एक दूसरे के घर में क्या चल रहा है.
हाँ,
That's
वो
very
तो
weird.
होता ही है. Like even my parents when they call from home, they're like, oh, so have you met this person yet? I'm like, no.
Yeah.
Why would they?
आप लोगों को तो वहाँ पे होगा ही ना वैसे, लाइक
Yeah.
ऐसे.
Just
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you're in the same city.
Yeah, and in the same business.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
this movie is coming out. The name is like, it's a very
Catchy name.
catchy name. It's like something that's a YouTube video.
It's-
Like,
करेक्ट.
like,
Oh, yeah.
It's like a title.
like ऐसा
Yeah.
recommendations
Short
में आ गया.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So what is the like who came up with the name? What was happening? कि ऐसा नाम, ऐसा picture का नाम तो ऐसा कभी देखा नहीं है मैंने. Like,
I think that's why they came up with that.
Yeah.
Because of the
Yeah, it stands
unusuality. It stands out. It's a talking point. Everyone's been asking us. And the point of the film is that, you know, there's a video of Sajni Shinde's that goes viral. And the repercussions of that on her character, on her family, loved ones, friends.
Yeah.
And it's an investigative piece about that being the spine of the film. And then there's so much more. There's a larger conversation about, you know, the world we live in, the impact of social media, how the fabric of our society is now so different.
Yeah.
Because of the optics and
Yeah.
because of perceptions and opinions and judgments and all of that.
No, that is very scary.
Yeah.
Like, people just like send each other stuff, and then
Yeah.
once it's out there, it's like
It's
out
out
there.
there,
Like you don't know where it's going.
It's going to land, what's going to happen. Yeah.
Yeah, and because it's so accessible, right?
Yeah.
Like people, even in relationships, like now when it comes to it, I to always say, like even on this podcast, I'm like, if you do whatever you want, never send like a nude, because it's
Yeah,
just
don't
like
send photos.
Yeah.
like it's there, then it's there. Like
Yeah.
the person may get hit by a truck, the person you sent it to, and their brain changes and they decide to leak it for whatever reason. Like you, like
was a little too accurate.
worst case scenario, right? इससे
Yeah.
बुरा तो नहीं हो सकता, but हो सकता
But
है.
someone can hack your phone. They get
That-
access
that
to all
also.
of that.
Someone can just change their mind and leak
Yeah.
it.
And just become a bad person.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a risk
Agreed.
that you're taking.
And I think
Yeah.
it's a very like relatable topic
Mhm.
because जैसे how you are talking about
Yeah.
news and everything, इसमें भी मतलब वही हो रहा है ना कि लड़की वही है
हाँ.
जो
Yeah.
एक दिन पहले लड़की sweet ideal fiance, such a brilliant teacher, ये सब थी just in 5 minutes. 5 minutes भी क्या मतलब
Yeah.
उस वीडियो के बाद कैसे आपका
Her whole life
परसेप्शन
changes.
एग्जैक्टली उल्टा हो जाता है दैट टेल्स अस a lot about ourselves.
Yeah.
एकदम से 5 मिनट में तो इंसान नहीं बदल सकता ना, एंड उसके रेपरकशंस तो उसी इंसान को बेयर करने हैं
Yeah.
और जजमेंट आपकी है.
Mm.
So it's just a very relatable topic, and I think that is what got both of us excited as well about the film.
Yeah, I mean, it's not just a thriller. The beauty is that you can't like limit the film to being a thriller or about this character or that character. It's everyone that's a part of a society. So it's kind of like a, like an ecosystem. So you're looking at the world we live in just based on this ecosystem and
Yeah.
what happens
Yeah.
because of an incident.
Yeah, an incident like this is what people
Yeah.
think about it. This
Yeah.
is how society.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it'll make you think, and you'll come back wondering that, hey, yeah, man, what if this happens to us or someone around us? What could happen? And, you relate to someone in there in the movie, or you're like, oh, I know this guy, or I know this girl, or I am this person. So,
Yeah.
And it's very entertaining. It's a
Yeah.
lot of fun.
It's a lot of
super
fun.
fast. It moves like that. It's a crisp and a very fast-paced film.
Yeah.
So
I've noticed that with films like the films that have been coming out lately, there's been a slight shift in the pacing, because I feel like, especially movies that are primarily on OTT, it's like they
Yeah.
need people to be hooked. It's almost like a YouTube video where you want it to just be like, you want to retain.
Yeah.
I've noticed that in films now. Like, there's too much happening at once. The build up isn't that slow like how it used to be. Is it just something that I've seen, or is there a conscious?
यार अटेंशन स्पैन लोगों का
Attention
कम हो
span.
रहा है ना.
Yeah.
अर्लियर आप यूज टू थे कि 6 गाने आएंगे पिक्चरों में चलेगा. सोशल मीडिया केम इन द पिक्चर. 1 मिनट की वीडियो आप डालेंगे, देन 30 सेकंड की वीडियो,
Yeah.
देन 15 सेकंड की
Yeah.
स्टोरी.
और अब 8
Yeah.
सेकंड की रील.
हाँ.
मतलब अब क्या हो गया?
So अब
Yeah.
आपका
Wow, it's
you're
really
used
going
to
down.
that, and you're spending so much of time on your social media platforms.
Yeah.
So you're used to that thing, and then movie आती है तो बोलते स्लो है.
Yeah.
So it's वो स्लो नहीं है.
नहीं.
आपका
Your
attention
attention
क्या है?
span
आप
is
fast हो रहे हो. So अब movies बोल रही चलो let's catch up.
आपका पेशेंस जा रहा है.
Yeah.
Like I
Yeah.
worked with Avinash Arun, okay, in a series called School of Lies. And he said something very poignant, He said that हम लोग ना इतना anxiety driven काम करने लग गए हैं that everyone, हर जगह there needs to be a hook. What are you leaving the
Yeah.
audience with? And that's particularly about web series. He was just
Right.
kind of commenting on
Yeah.
that every episode has to leave you anxious
Right.
and with a hook towards the end. And he doesn't personally subscribe to that. And I felt like there was a lot of wisdom in where he was coming from. And his personal, I'm a huge fan of his work, like Killa and, the other things that he's done. He's marvelous. Patal Lok also, So he was very sophisticated, I felt, about this. The times we're living in, everything has to be anxiety driven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's also like there's a lot of options. Like, दिन में कितने movies आ रहे हैं.
हाँ
Like,
और
I'm-
इंडिया के ही नहीं ना
Options,
बाहर
yeah.
दुनिया भर से आ रहे हैं
yeah.
ना.
Like sometimes I just go on like these platforms and scroll and not end
Yeah,
up watching
yeah.
anything.
Yeah,
'Cause
आधा time
उसी
तो
से
निकल ही
मेरे को
जाता है.
anxiety आ रहा है कि भाई क्या देखूं मैं.
क्या
You
देखूं?
watch those
मैं तो
trailers
कह रही
and
हूँ
you just
टीवी
leave.
हटाओ.
That's one solution.
Sunsets.
I'm telling you, yeah.
Sunsets are where it's at.
I really-
I'm
Finish
telling
in
you,
one hour and then
consider
you're done.
sunsets.
No, I mean we do this so we have to consume some amount of content, like
Yeah.
let it be YouTube or just movies, shows, whatever. Like we need stuff to talk about.
Yeah, conversation starter हो जाता है
Yeah.
कि और judgment भी आ जाती है उसमें तूने ये नहीं देखा है.
Or
Yeah, which is-
which is
we
like
like
really-
movies, we like cinema. Now what we've started doing for watching like all the stuff that you kind of have to watch, like IMDb top 100 stuff like that.
Oh.
So we're like, let's get these out of the way first,
Yeah.
Wow.
so that. But then like stuff like this comes out, you're like, okay, I'm curious now. I want to go watch this also.
Yeah.
So it's like
I hope you guys are curious enough to want to watch our film because it's
Yeah.
really nice, like genuinely.
So now you're here, we're invested. It's like that.
Fully
Now we have
invested.
spoken
Now
to
we
you, so
wanna
now
It'll
watch
be
this,
lovely,
right?
It's like
seriously.
someone
Yes.
we personally know.
You
has done
won't
a
come out
project.
being like, hey यार time waste था या क्यों गए, you know, वो नहीं होगा for sure.
We'll take your
We're
word
not
for
just
it.
saying that. Yeah.
Yeah. No,
You better.
No, you.
No,
we'll
no,
go for the
seriously.
movie for
Yeah, 100%. We're going.
Okay, chalo. This was a lot of fun.
We're done?
You wanna keep going?
We,
No.
I mean,
बाकी
You guys have a busy day ahead.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
why,
ये
yeah,
सब
like-
करना है तो-
Thank you.
But
Really.
मजा
thank you so
आया.
much
And
for
thank you for the lovely
doing
coffee.
this.
And
Yes.
shout out Anish, our
Thank
manager.
Shout out Anish.
Culinary expert from
Yeah.
Pune. It was lovely.
Pune
Thank you
का?
so much.
Sub.
क्या बात है.
चलो.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you
Thank you so
so
much.
much.
Thank you. Such a pleasure.